Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two money transfer service platforms, which is Taptap Send and Wise. So let's dive into it. So talking about Taptap Send, Taptap Send is built for fast, low-cost international transfer with mainly to mobile wallet in Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. It's simple to use, it offers a competitive rate and often deliver funds instantly, making it great for quick remittance. Whilst on the other hand, provide a more complete financial service with international transfer, multi-currency account, debit card, and access to near mid-market exchange rate. It's available in more countries and ideal for people who need money or broader financial tools beyond just sending money. And the downside of Taptap Send is that it has limited features outside of remittance, and its customer support can be slow in handling issues like refund or account freezings. While Wise, on the other hand, is more reliable over and sometimes delay transfer due to compliance check and charges with higher fee on a smaller amount compared to a Taptap Send. So if you want a fast and an affordable remittance to send money, you can also use Wise on that. But if you want a fast affordable remittance to mobile wallet, Taptap Send is better. It's better in that aspect. But if you need a transparent all-in-one global money solution, Wise is strong choice in that aspect. And that's it.